Our work has started in 2022 when the President of the Republic of Kazakhstan, Қасым-Жомарт Тоқаев, had a meeting with the President of PepsiCo, Ramon Laguarta. Since then, we've done lots of work. So the result of this work is that in April 2024, the board of members of PepsiCo has made a decision that they are to invest 160 million in the realization and implementation of this project. I believe that this will attract many American and European companies to come and do projects here in Kazakhstan.
We have a long history of investment cooperation, as everybody knows, that goes back to the beginning of Kazakhstan's independence, really. And we're now, and have for many years been, the #2 foreign direct investment partner in terms of the amount. What we're seeing now, and this event today is a good illustration of that, is that our investments are getting more diverse. Early in your history, most of them were in the industries like oil or other extractive industries. And now today, this announcement of a manufacturing plant to make snack foods and using local potatoes that will be grown here in Kazakhstan and creating jobs for many people in the region. I think we heard 350 new jobs at least. So we're becoming more diverse, and we're creating more and more of these win-win situations. Win for U.S. companies, win for our bilateral trade, and a win for Kazakh workers and consumers.